Hi Samuel, this is YTT. So I've just done the 90 minutes and I am recording this not more than 5 minutes reflection as what you requested from my 60 minutes practice. So I've read it down here. So basically there are basically 4 points or 5 points that I write over here. Number one is like the student wasn't really in a good mood to begin with, because I can sense, I can feel the energy, her energy is not there. And of course the facial expression and the level of engagement and excitement, if I may call that, okay, but that's normal, because right, as a teacher, and when you're running a class, we definitely face students coming in a bad mood, or they are just having a bad day, and or maybe something is popping in their mind that they may not be focusing. But as a teacher, I believe that we still need to continuously to engage the student, because there must be something that still bring them back to the studio or step back to the mat, in hope that we as a teacher can help them to at least for the next 60 minutes or 90 minutes to bring them into a relaxation mode. Okay, so I do feel that I have done quite a good job through engaging, calling out the names, and get her to look into me as I do the demo. Okay, and to start, after that, I still find myself in a very chaotic situation when it comes to sun salutation. I have to salute the teachers for guiding sun salutation, because it's certainly not easy to do, to cue, and to see how student is doing. It is really like you need to coordinate 3 things at the same time. It's just like juggling the balls, three balls at the same time. So I know I've done some mistakes there. I can't even know if I have completed 6 sets of 12 rounds. So I just remember off my head if I try to cover everything. And the next things that I observe is like I have tried to work on what I wanted to, on the goal that I mentioned, just keeping very short cue, focusing on the key points that each post supposed to be. Okay, I would say I still make some mistakes here and there, but then I guess it is much more better than the last round. And lastly is I do see my students, she is so relaxed in the Shavasana, and I think she dozed off. Okay, so which is good in a way that I help a student to relax down, even though you and I know that Shavasana is not meant to be sleeping. But I guess the intention here is really helping assist, if I may call, the student to relax down, probably having a bad day, and as we guide in Shavasana, is getting the student back to the present moment and whatnot. Correct? So I think this is it. I hope I have done my best, and I guess of all, throughout the 60 minutes and 90 minutes, something that I learned being myself as a teacher is we just have to accept what it is as things happen. So it's just handling one thing happen at a time. There's no right wrong. It is just a practice, and yoga is actually a journey. It may not be a destination. Thank you, Samuel.